Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I talking about what are the settings I need to do to trade in NSE future and option and BSE future and option and NFO new fund option. You can see here when you're trying to buy the stocks in NFO, they're showing the notification as here NFO is disabled for your account. You can activate the segment on console. To activate the segment is very simple. Let me explain. Be in tune. Welcome back to Trading Manja and I am Manja. To activate the segment, just you need to follow the simple steps which I was showing here. To activate, first click on your profile and then click on portfolio and then tap on Chrome. After tapping Chrome, it takes you to the console side. In the console side, you can see there at the top of the console side the three lines. Tap on it and after click on your My Account, and then you can see there the three lines on the middle of your left side as View All Category. Click on it and then tap on Segments. Now you can see there in the manage segment there are many segments as NSE equity, BSE equity, NSE future and option, BSE future and option, NSE currency exchange, BSE currency exchange and commodity account. Just click on it to activate it. After clicking all the features, you will use whatever you want and then tap on continue. You can see there the activate of NSE BSE future and option and NSE BSE currency exchange. To activate it, you want to select your gross income. I am selecting as below 1 lakh. You can select whatever your income, and then after selecting the gross income, you want to add your income proof as your 6-month bank statement. I already downloaded it and I adding by choosing the file. Just follow the steps which I was showing there to add the bank statement. If anyone have a doubt how to download the bank statement, I done a video related to that. And I added in my description how to download the bank statement of Bank of India, Canara Bank and SBI. You can go through my videos and you can download and you can add it. And after adding, just click on I understand all the terms and conditions and then click on continue. It takes some time. Okay. Just swipe up. You can see that the modification request as segment is processing. It takes around 48 to 72 hours. For me, it taken around 48 hours. For activate, and then I done my trading in NFO option. For your confirmation, I am giving an example. You can see that I am buying a Bank Nifty 1 in NFO option. You can see after swiping to buy, it's showing me as completed. But before I doing this setup, it's showing me as error. But now it was done. To know, if you have a doubt to know where the activated is done, just follow the steps which I was showing here. Just a simple step. And then one more thing, if you have a doubt regarding to this video, add a comment in the comment section. Let me clarify your doubt in the next video, or I will add a comment to you. And thank you for watching guys. Please do supporting and please do subscribe.